Hey my people, so today we are going to the Caribbean store, Jamaican store, because we want some yam because rice no fat. And we are about the summer body, so I'm gonna show you guys where I'm going, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna get inside the store. How are you guys doing? If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tiffany. Call me Tiffy if you wanna, or Tiffany, or Tiff, or just don't call me mom. Not call me mom. Mom doesn't sit well with me. Ma'am does not sit well with me. Okay? So yeah, let's get into the store, guys. It was a long time that you just ate me a banana chip. Look at baskets. Let's go. I'm my favorite last thing. Almond. There's no almond? Cream of malt, strawberry, vanilla. Pronto caramel porridge mix. Only take few minutes to mix. Avocado here, though, them look sick. I don't know how I feel about this. Some hot pepper. Guys, I love pepper, man. That's all about me. You know, my grandma used to make them things, you know. One thing I look sad at me. How about that? The pepper your aunt. What she said? $6? Twinkle. Holy good thing they call it. Holy good thing. The fridge probably well loaded on the gears. Oh shit. Oh shit. Anyway, me done. I'm not sure how them do the yam. I guess it's to preserve it. If you're a farmer and you watch what it is, what a sawdust is. I think sawdust that they put on it to keep it. Oh, answer to my friend. Guys, this is yellow yam. This is sweet potato. This is renta yam. I don't know what kind of yam that. Them said it's a white yam, but me not buy them. I call them a big. And me not buy this. I never say I'm round for it. So no, I name of Irish potato and onion or something like that. So I don't want to make soup. There are things that if you want some thirsty tea, peppermint tea, ginger tea, soursop leaf tea, turmeric, moringa, all kind of tea, all kind of sorrel tea, Guinea in, Who know Guinea in? I know Guinea in. Anyway, me not know my money for spending this, so I'm done. I am HTB bread is tough. This bread is so hard. This is truly hard though, very hard. Anyway guys, I am done. I have other things in here now. I'm selling other native stuff for like the Indians and things, but I'll know honest, I know you have all kind of leaf and stick and fennel and all kind of something. Patty. If you wanted patties, get patties in a box. But this patty is a hit or miss. You have to know which one to buy because I don't know how that tastes good. Anyway, I got what I wanted and these ones I didn't come in here for, so let's go guys. One bag, $7,000, $67, whichever way you want to look at it. I'm always gonna look at it two ways. I'm always gonna look at it two ways. Man, eating healthy is not for the weak. It's not for the poor. Thank God for grace, cause I'm rich. It's all Jesus. Anyway, nice blue skies, and we're going home. So see you later guys, or see you in the next clip. Yep, over to the gym. Oh, the sky is so beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day, guys. I think I'm gonna be going to Winners. I don't know, but just when I'm in the gym, let's get a vibe. Like, I need to go check what is in Winners. Banana money. We're gonna go look at what they have because I guess we can say Winners is like our local Ross or Marshalls kind of vibe. We get nice things for lesser money. So let's go to Winners. I really like this little bag. Ooh, this is cute. It's so stylish. How much for this? $60. Okay. They have a similar one in black, but I wouldn't go with the black. It's cutie. And like guys, I also need like a face serum. They have a nice one that works for me, but I don't know, I can't see. Is this Hyaluron serum, moisturizing, firm, brightening, calming. I've never heard of this one. Hydration boost serum, so $9. Hydrates and smooths, helping to reduce fine lines for a healthy, youthful complexion. You know what I'm about looking here. Keeping it. So I'm gonna get them two here. For the lip gloss, I went to Sephora because I feel like I can see different options, more options there. So I get to get some active wear. Okay guys, so I left the gym, I ate breakfast. I had sardine and crackers with plantain for breakfast. The pepper still abundant me from the sardine, but nice. The pepper was just... Anyway guys, I'll talk to you later. Alright, so guys, we're back at the mall. Just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna have for lunch. It's Monday, which is the day I want to put up this vlog. The vlog is gonna be short, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna show you guys and then I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Disrespectful.
On TikTok, I'm on there. You ever see? Ever see Chinese advertisement? Never.
Maybe it's about this asleep.
I don't know, it's not like Chinese website.
It's a line? What do you mean? Okay, I'm so quick. And everything fast enough.
Come on.
Very efficient.
That's why they make money.
And a lily.
You know, if you feel anything, all that what them say, I know that's chicken. Because I never quarter chicken breast.
Hello. I'm going to tell you.
One chicken breast, I say, if you are 10, come on. 15.
So, sister, why you telling stop with the rice? You make a new gear or you don't want to?
Oh, come on, I want to go for rice.
Vegetable and meat.
Most of them make it up.